Lord Dragoman, if I had a good destrier, all my enemies would have entered into a foolish case. For there when they name me to them, they fear me more than a quail fears a sparrowhawk, and they value their life, not a penny. So fierce and savage and wild do they know me. When I have put on my strong double hauberk and girded the sword that Ngui gave me the other day, the earth trembles wherever I go. And I have no enemy so arrogant that he does not quickly leave me the roads and the path. So much do they fear me when they hear my step. In boldness I am worth Roland and Olivia, and in courtship the rod of Mund is dear. For I am so worthy, therefore I have good praise, that often messengers come to me with golden rings, with cords white and black, with such greetings that all my heart rejoices. In all things I resemble a good knight, for I am one, and I know love's whole craft and all that pertains to courtship. Never in a chamber was there such a pleasant one, nor with arms so gentle nor so fierce. Therefore such a one loves and fears me, who neither sees nor hears me. And if I had a swift, a bright horse, the king beyond Balaguer would rest quietly and sleep so peacefully and softly. For I would hold for him in peace Provence and Montpellier, so that robbers, no wicked rouncy men, would rob neither Octaves nor Croix. So much do they go that I will have the first blow, and I will strike so that they will lend to double, and I with them if the gate is not closed to jealous ones and